Dolce & Gabbana have relaunched their iconic light blue fragrance, replacing David Gandy and Bianca Balti with Theo James and Vittoria Ceretti. Let's have a closer look and see if this was a step forward or backward. The original campaign with David Gandy transcended the crowded field of fragrances and became a part of fashion iconography. I think the only other men's fragrance campaign to have a similar reach would be Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani, but I still would make the claim that light blue had a stronger success in its branding. Although David is English, not Italian, he became synonymous with Dolce & Gabbana's vision of their Italian man across multiple campaigns and runway shows. With Theo James and Vittoria Ceretti, the elephant in the room is that neither of them have blue eyes. I enjoy Theo as an actor, but considering his biggest recent role was a supporting actor in season 2 of White Lotus, I don't think his star power is great enough to substantiate his casting in this particular fragrance. Diesel made this mistake before, with Boyd Holbrook from Narcos for their bad fragrance, and as the name suggests, it was a bad decision, as his career fizzled since then, as is the case with Alex Pettyfer for their Brave campaign. So, if I were the one casting for light blue and we had to go with another male actor to replace David Gandy, I think the easiest direction would be to go with Mr. Henry Cavill. He's beloved by men and women, he fits the dark hair blue eyes brief, and his star power would boost sales way more than Theo. Henry's Superman replacement, David Cornsweet, would also be an option, but I don't think he has the right energy. He is a bit too sweet rather than sexy. I don't know why they didn't come back for him for this global campaign, but Simone Susanna seems like the perfect fit, and they used him for the fragrance before with a more limited usage. Vittoria, as much as I love her, I would have used her for one of their other fragrances and gone with Emily Di Donato for light blue. Emily exploded on the modeling scene with her Acqua di Gioia campaign in 2010 at age 17, but since Armani have not continued to keep her as part of their brand, I think she would be perfect for this campaign. Casting aside, the video by Gordon Von Steiner is fantastic. It hits all the right notes perfectly. I cannot fault him for a second. They are selling a fantasy, an aspirational love story that buying the fragrance is supposed to give you a piece of. I don't think Gordon is getting enough recognition for his work. Light Blue is using the same song in the new campaign as in the original, Parlami d'amore Mariù by Achille Togliani, same location in Capri, and I think this was the right decision to maintain continuity across the years. Looking at the campaign images, the one with David Gandy are absolutely better. Actors are better conveying their emotions in a scene rather than photos, and as great as Theo looks, his facial expression is not projecting the same range as David. In 2023, Dolce & Gabbana used David and Bianca for their Light Blue Summer Vibes campaign, but I think these images are why they replaced David with the relaunch. In the video, he still looks great, but in the photos, I think their mistake was trying to de-age him rather than embracing him in this new chapter. His hair, facial hair, eyebrows, they all have been darkened and it looks unnatural. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new campaign with Theo James and Vittoria Ceretti. Would you have gone with a different casting? And as always, be sure to subscribe for more videos about the fashion industry and those who shape it.